welcome to my channel again. Today I am going to tell you how you can set your Blender application to get best output video file. Sometimes when we try to render an animation project into a video file, it pixelates and glitches in some spots, and sometimes an audio is missing. To overcome these problems, let us start over. As you can see, I have already launched the Blender application. After launching it, click on this first icon here. After clicking it, look for output under metadata and do the rest of the settings for your project. Then here, after clicking on this icon, look for output under metadata here. After clicking it, set the location for your output file. Then set the format for your output file. After setting it, click on encoding, and in prefix here select the format. Then also set the codec for your output file. Then in bitrate, click here. After clicking it with your keyboard, type 9000900. After typing it, hit the enter key and then set GOP size to 3. In rate, set minimum to 8000 and set maximum to 15,000 and set buffer to 1792, and then here set rate to 10080000 and set packet size to 2048. Then set the audio codec for your output file. In bitrate, set this bitrate to 320. Okay guys, that's all. With these settings you will get 100% result. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to like and subscribe.